Hi, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to upload a file into Google Classroom. This is specifically for parents with kids in pre-K, or even first grade, where the kids would not be the ones using the computer on their own. The teacher would have assigned work to your child, and it would appear here under upcoming. So you would click the link. It would take you to the assignment which the teacher has given. In most cases, you would have taken a picture or scanned a drawing, and that would be saved on your computer. You will then click on the Add or Create button. It will bring a drop-down box, and you click on File, the paperclip right here. It will take you to this window where you click Select Files from your device. It will take you to your computer. Here, you have several folders from your computer, so you would go wherever you have that file saved. Okay, I would go to my desktop, fourth grade, and let me click on Add and subtract mixed numbers, and that file would appear here, and you click Upload, and the file would upload onto Google Classroom. Then you would click on Turn In, and then a second time, and up here, as you could see, turned in, which means that the teacher has the child's work. If for some reason you made an error, you can click Unsubmit, and submit again, and it gives you another opportunity to go back to your computer and select the correct file. So you could delete this and click Add or Create again, back to File, select Files from your device, and now I'm going to click the correct document that I wanted to upload, which is adding mixed numbers, and click on Open, Upload, and that file will go back in there. And I will do the same thing, turn in again, and this is it. You would have submitted your child's work to your teacher. Thank you. I hope this helps.